Now, find a comfortable position. If you are holding your phone, you can place it gently beside you. Close your eyes and take a slow breath in. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Once again, take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Tonight, I will tell you a very quiet story. A story about a gentle rain, a soft rain falling slowly on the roof of a small house. There is nothing to rush, nothing you need to do, only the sound of rain and the calm feeling of a peaceful night. And if, while listening, you slowly drift into sleep, that is perfectly fine. Just relax and let the story move slowly forward. Outside the window, the sky has already grown dark. Clouds move slowly across the night sky. The air feels cool and comfortable, and then the first drops of rain begin to fall. Tap, tap, tiny raindrops touch the rooftop. The sound is soft, not loud, just a gentle rhythm, repeating slowly. Tap, tap. The rain is not heavy. It is only a light evening rain. Inside the small house, everything feels quiet. A soft yellow light glows gently in the room. You are lying on your bed under a warm blanket. The air feels calm and peaceful. Outside, the rain continues to fall, drop by drop, touching the rooftop. Tap, tap. The sound is steady, slow, almost like a lullaby. A light breeze moves past the window, bringing the fresh scent of rain and wet earth. A scent that feels calm and comforting. You can simply listen to the rain. You do not need to do anything. Just listen. Rain falling on the roof. Rain touching the leaves. Rain landing softly on the quiet road outside. Tap, tap. The rhythm is slow, soft, gentle. Your body begins to relax. Your shoulders feel lighter. Your arms rest comfortably. Take a slow breath in and breathe out very gently. The rain continues to fall. Calm, slow, peaceful. The rain now falls in a steady rhythm. Tap, tap. The sound repeats softly over and over. Outside, the night has grown deeper. The stars hide behind the clouds. The whole neighborhood has become quiet. Only the rain remains, and the peaceful calm of the night. The gentle rain still falls softly. The little house remains warm. Everything has slowed down. Very slow, very quiet. If you are listening to this story now, you may already feel sleepy. You can let your body fully relax. Keep your eyes closed and allow sleep to come naturally. Slowly, softly, peacefully. Have a calm night and a deep sleep.